Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export tasks across all projects in Zoho Projects. All right. So first up, go ahead over to the left panel, click on tasks right here. And once done, you can go ahead and group it by, task list or projects. So just go ahead and select projects right here. And here you have it. Okay. You could also change it to all open or all closed or even all tasked. Okay. And the projects right here, we have the projects column. Click on the three dots. You can go ahead and apply a filter and select all available projects if you want to. Okay. Or you can go ahead and deselect one. It's up to you. Just click on find. And here you have it. Now here you have your tasks. Now finally, to export it, you can go ahead and click on the three dots right here at the top right and just click on export tasks. And once done, select again the correct task view. And then the format could be XLSX or CSV. Okay. And once that's done, if you want to, you can go ahead and export it with a file information. Now, project category right here, all active or both active and archived. Scroll down here, we have the columns, for your specific export. Now, included in the export, by default, we have the task name, associated team, owner, and so on and so forth. If you want to add in the comments, you can just click on the move tool right here. It will be added in your export, a description, duration, or all. Okay, and once that's done, just click on export, hit on yes right here, add in a password for your specific file, and click on OK. Wait for it to fully load, or if you want to do something, you can just wait for an email to your email account that is connected to your Zoho Projects account. Okay, you should receive this same exact email right here. Just click on download the file and you're good to go. Also, you have the export button here as well. Just click on download, save it wherever you want, or rename it if you want to, and hit on save. Okay. Once the download or export is done, just click on it, add in the password, hit on OK, and just wait for it to load. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.